What's up, YouTube? We back with another. Let me turn my wipers on. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? We back with another one, man. And today, y'all can tell by the thumbnail, we gonna make a target run POV drive. It's a little misty outside. I told y'all I was gonna be bringing these POV drives. First off, we need some gas. So we're gonna get some gas real quick. Then we're gonna be on our way to Target. I'm gonna go pick up some soap and some this protein Nesquik. I want the strawberry one. I have the chocolate one, but I want the strawberry one too. I'm gonna get some from my fiance too, and it's like the only place where I can find it. So we're gonna get to it. Get to this. I need gas bag. I'll probably just go to this gas station real quick. Throw a little 20 ball in there because I'm trying to hurry up. I got stuff to do. Let's go. Maybe swing it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's wet, but I do need tires. I got to be more careful. Okay, doke. Let's see. All right. Y'all heard that? I heard a motor. I heard a V8. Oh, that's a truck. Let's see what they getting this for. $379. That's not bad. I'm gonna have to use the phone to pay for it real quick. So hold on. Well. Tires are a little dirty today, but y'all can see by the weather, it's gonna be a little dirty. Ew. Color still look good, man. I gotta black out these wheels, bro. I want some new wheels, but hey, look at that dirt. Yeah, I need another car wash. My car is big dirty birdie. I'm eventually gonna get this crack fixed, but it is what it is. Bro, that's a clerk has receipt, man. I hate going up in here, bro. It is what it is, but we gonna go in there. Y'all haven't seen my face in a minute, huh? But let's go get the receipt real quick, though. Got the receipt. Need a receipt for them tax shoes. I think I just heard a V6 challenge. Too bad. I don't know if I can catch up to him, but good try. Nah, we ain't gonna catch up to him. But it is what it is. So, yes. Let me. Bro, I gotta fix these stars, man. I just need a different charging cord or whatever I hooked it up to. I hooked it up to the what's it called? This right here. So I don't even know if y'all can see me right now, but I need to get another one because I think I pinched the wires. Oh, gotta hit this at an angle. This ain't no cars coming. Yeah. I didn't angle it too much, but ain't got no traction. Put these windows back up. Hold on. Come on, I'm gonna leave them up. Yes, sir. Well, yeah, man, I've been consistent in the gym, low key. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't went on New Year's Eve. Gotta stay in that gym, man. I might mess around and put on the heated steering wheel. It's actually not that bad today. What is it, 45? It's been better than it was. Let me see. Put on that heated. I'll turn it off. Put on that heated steering wheel. Turn these wipers off. Man, I know. I'm thinking the worst time to do this is a lot of traffic. But I don't know, someone was like, hey man, go make a video. Let's go over here. Windshield dirty. Get over. Yeah, get it now. Yeah. But for real, I gotta get over. All right, you going on the E-way? For sure. I don't know. What's the man's doing up there? I try to get in front of him? Nah, I ain't gonna be able to. Gotta get in this lane. Hold on, Audi. Yeah, these wipers, bro. It's like that little misty rain. I'm gonna let dude go first. Hold on, Betty. That look like a little nice Audi right there. So target should be like a straight shot down here. Go to the super target. Y'all let me know. Y'all Target people or Walmart people? I'm more of a Target person, to be honest with you. I still shop at Walmart, but I'm more Target. If I'm being all the way at 100. All these warehouses, man. I don't even know what that is right there. Man, I feel like I don't even need the wipers, but let me see. See how I look when I turn it off. It'll probably be from the cars that making my windshield dirty. Ugh. Real tired. But I wanted to get out and do this. Can't do nothing too crazy because it is raining. I need ties for sure. Little bit of noise action. See, okay, I made it. Made the lights. I'll let it auto. Man, it's out here on the bike. Yeah, it's these cars make my windshield dirty. See if I can get around from here. I wanna go home. Look at the Tessie. Would y'all drive a Tessie? I want to drive one just to experience it, but I wouldn't want one like that. I ain't gonna lie. over here, me and my fiance took a concealed carry class. It was a pretty cool class. Gots to have concealed carry. I got a car all up on my butt. I ain't speeding up, man. You can stay there. Ride my bumper. What is it? It looks like it's a Honda or something. Bro, you is not scaring me, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. You is not scaring me, bro. Get off somewhere, man. Oh, get off of me. Oh, you scared me. Let me quit playing. Bro got I was about to say, bro got a chance to go around me. He's still right there. Yeah, I'm about to take you. I'm about to get in front of you. What is going on there? Okay. We almost to Target. Hey. Oh. Bump. Monkey day. In a monkey way. Scooch over. Oh, that Honda. Oh, never mind. I was about to say that Honda ain't on my tail, but I think he's coming up. I think he ain't doing it no more, though. Almost to Target. Yeah. Get in ya. Almost stop. I'm gonna try to turn here. I'm gonna turn. I think there's another turn in. Let me go this way. Down shit. Go ahead. Okay. I did my good deed for the day. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all can go. I got a stop sign. Alright, peoples. That's cool, peoples. I wonder if I should go on this side. The sober stuff might be on the other side, I ain't gonna lie. I guess we just go get in where we fit in. Let me see. We're gonna find a spot somewhere. Oh, that spot right there that Toyota's leaving. Or Acura, whatever. Okay, Acura. Come on, Acura. Moving in slow motion, Acura. What the hell? Yeah. That was a big sorry right there, sure. Let's see. Oh, my backup camera's dirty. I can't see nothing. Let me fix myself real quick. My backup camera is dirty. Get in ya. Dirty. Man, I'm parking horrible. Okay. Usually I park pretty good backwards, you know what I'm saying? I like this, stop beeping, I'll put you in park. I like this man's, mirror caps. I wanted to get me some. Ugh. Like the Honda. Yeah, y'all, I need to get me some of those mirror caps. That look good with the black. Yeah, we go headed to Super. It's not Super Target. It's just Target. I thought it was Super Target. Well, we heading in here, get what we need to get. Yeah, this the good stuff. Can't even see that protein. I'm gonna try this caramel water. I ain't even know what it's talking about, but we gonna try it. All right, y'all. So we got the cops. I need to vacuum in here. No, look at that. I had to get my soap. Don't worry about that. But I saw this Karma energy water, blueberry watermelon. So I was like, man, get the energy. Yeah, caffeine from green tea extract. I guess you like push this stuff in there. I don't know. I was just curious. So I want to try it. This is what I was talking about, man. That protein power Nesquik, the strawberry, man. This is fire, y'all. But I do appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Might be another POV, you never know. Okay, let me stop. I'm being stupid, but I appreciate y'all watching. Glad y'all here. See y'all in the next one.